Oh, B.
Is that a sine or a cos? Which one am I doing?
1B.
Yeah.
Is that a sine or a cos?
Sine.
Good. You clear on that now. That's step one. Right. So let's graph a sine function then as an example. So we have, if you can read the function please when you're ready. What is it?
Y equal 2 sine bracket pi over 4 minus pi bracket. Yeah, bracket minus 2 for.
Where's x?
X. Oh yes. Oh, x over 4.
You said pi over 4. Yeah, yeah.
And the range is minus 6 pi.
To 6 pi, probably, yeah. Okay.
No.
Not much. That doesn't really matter. Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, it doesn't matter so much. Okay. So first, what we need to do is to rewrite this as 2 sine a quarter x minus 4 pi. So that's the first step, and we can identify the A, B, C and D more clearly now. So this is A, B, C and D. So we make a table and we have here min, max, start, end. Okay, so firstly we have sine. So the minimum value sine can be is -1, maximum is 1. It starts at 0 and ends at 2 pi. Okay, what's wrong? You look so unhappy. What's wrong? No, talk to me. What's wrong? For sine, it goes from -1 to 1. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, firstly, the A. What does the A change? It changes these because it stretches the graph out twice as high. So this will be -2, 2. Okay. What is the effect of the B now? The B compresses it. Yeah, but in this case, because it's 1 over 4 instead of 4, it does the opposite. It expands it. So it's 4 times longer. So these do not change, but this now will be 0 and 8 pi. Quadrupled by 4. Okay. The effect of the minus, which is what we like here, the C. This will move the graph to the right. So this is -2, 2, 2 pi, 10 pi. Yeah. And finally, the -2 will drop the graph down 2 units. So that is -4, 0, 2 pi, 10 pi. Yeah.
Let's do it.
This 10 here,
Okay.
I added 2 pi to both of these, so that becomes 2 pi and that becomes 10 pi. This is the result I care about. Now I can make the graph. Can I scroll down? Yeah? Okay. Now,
Is that end with 2 pi or 6 pi?
huh?
Like the range that you use.
It ends at 6 pi, which means the graph will get cut off in the picture.
Oh.
I'll show, watch.
Okay.
Trust me, watch. Okay, so, let's make a graph here. This is x. Oh wait, I need to go to minus 6 pi, don't I? So let me put this in the middle. Hang on. Okay. X y. For the moment, I'll go to 10, but I'll remove that later. So this is 10 pi. This is 5 pi. This is minus 10 pi. This is minus 5 pi. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pi. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pi. Minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I should go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a minus 4 down to there. Let me just put that in there. Minus 4. Now, I'm going to, it might be hard for you to see, but in the exam I should use pencil and maybe a darker pencil or a pen. So in pencil, I box off minus 4 to 0. So that would be here to there. And then 0 would be just the x-axis, so nothing there. And then 2 pi, which is here, to 10 pi, which is here. Yep.
The line goes through
The x-axis, yeah, because of this 0 here. Now the next thing I need to do is to break this into a window. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And then here it'll be like this. Questions? No Chinese, only English. If you have a question, ask me. What? Ask me.
The window.
That's what I'm paid to sit here for.
The window.
Yes.
Can you repeat again?
Sure. You see, that was not so bad. You can ask me. Okay. So are you happy or unhappy with this box?
I'm
Happy. So the window, you need to make this box, you need to break it into 4 equal pieces, 4 equal parts. So I call this a window because it looks like a window of 4 pieces which are the same. So if you look here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pi long. So if I cut this in half, it's 4 pi. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. And then I go down. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So half is 2 pi, which is here. Now I must copy this to the left and to the right. So nothing to the right, because I'm at the end. So to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is my this is my next window here. Okay, and then lastly 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I don't really need to, because remember I only have to stop at minus 6 pi. So I won't bother with another window. And here I have to stop at 6 pi.
No,
6 pi is here. Yeah. Okay, now time to make the graph. So because I have sine, yeah? 4 units, and then draw the line down. So each of these vertical lines are 4 boxes apart.
And when do we start? Do we start after the line or before?
You mean like for counting? Yeah, you start on the line. So if I was here, I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to the first window we drew. Because I have a sine graph, I start in the middle. Because if you think about sine, it goes middle to the top to the bottom. Where cosine would be top to the middle to the bottom. Yeah. So for sine, yes?
Why you do minus 6 pi next?
Because I'm hungry. She asked me why did I put it in the wrong spot, and my answer is because I'm hungry. That's why. This is 6 pi here. Thank you. Right. Drawing time. Up. Down. Down. Up. And then here it's the same. Up. Down. Down. And up. And here is the same. Okay. So I have too much. Now, time to remove. Was that 6 pi there? Yeah, so I can cut this out. And then 6 pi is here. And this is what I have at the end. Let's see how good this is and compare it with an accurate graph. Can you read out the equation? What was it? Y equals 2 sine yeah, x over 4, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Minus pi? Plus 2. Minus 2. Minus pi? Where's pi? Here we go. This is what we had to begin with. Let's graph this and see what happens. So let me just set the range. Minimum, maximum. So we're going from minus 6 pi, wasn't it? To 6, can I not press this? Pi. 3.1415. Okay. 3.1415. And then it was from minus 4 to 4, it's fine. Okay. There you go. No, it's not.
No? You don't have a number?
I have it going here. Oh no, it is fine. Sorry, I haven't drawn my axis in strong enough. Wait. Yeah. kind of curved it the wrong way here. I should have it curved. See, because I don't have a ruler, I should have it curving up sooner than I do. So it's a bit more like this, curving up a little bit.
Or touch the.
Yeah, I made it look like this was in the middle when it's not. This is in. If I had a ruler, it would look better. Trust me. It's close enough. You'll do a much nicer job with your rulers and pencils in the exam, yeah?
Go back to the table.
My table here?
Yeah, table.
Are you going to tell me I made a mistake? Because I really don't like when students find the mistake when I'm finished at the end. What?
X is bigger than minus 6 pi and smaller than 6 pi.
Yeah?
But if you minus 6 pi plus 4 pi is the minus 2 pi.
Here? Is the problem here? This part?
Yeah.
What should it be?
About C. The fourth line.
Yeah.
It should be minus 2 pi, not 2 pi.
But why did you wait until now to tell me?
Because the graph is because of the graph.
I think I'm going to have a rule. If you find a mistake and you wait until I'm finished, then that should be punishment for you. So, as Eric says, I should have added on 4 pi. So this should have been 4 pi, and this should have been 12 pi.
Yeah.
So that's 4 and 12. Well, Eric was the only one who said anything, and he only said it at the very end. Okay. Will I draw this again? As another example? I think you would like another example anyways, yeah. Okay. Now, before I go on, does anybody have anything they want to say? No? Okay. So say it now, or forever hold your peace, and don't tell me. Okay, let's have a look now at the graph for this one. But I suppose this time, since I've done an example, you can tell me what to do. So, how far should I go on my x-axis? Yeah, I should go minus 12 pi to 12 pi, and here is 0. Okay, fine? Now, because I have a 4 here, maybe I should go up in 4s. So this could be 4, 8, 12, 4, 4, 8, 12. Okay, and what about the y? Yeah, I need to go from minus 4 still. So minus 4. So I should go in 1s. That's 2, that's 3, that's 1. That's 4. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. Okay, what's next? The line at minus 4. And then the line at 0. Next, the line at 4 pi, which is here. And then the line at 12 pi. And then next, cut half. Next, I copy this, so that would be here and here, wouldn't it? Okay, and then copy again. Okay, and next I'll start here. Sine, I go up, down, and up, And then here, the same deal. Up, down, and up. And then here. And then up, down, and up. And now I need to cut. Where should I cut out my picture? Where's 6 pi here? That's 4, that's 8, so 6 is here. And then that's 4, that's 8, 6 is here. Yeah. Okay, cutting time.
Is it okay if we don't erase the... Yeah?
At least draw something to show you understand that this is the end, okay? Now, let's compare.
Yeah, same.
Minus 2, minus 2. This is that's a more than pi, you know. Yeah. Nailed it. Nailed it. There we go. Zoom out. Like this? Zoom in. Oh, sorry, hang on. This is, sorry, you're right. This is zooming out. Do you want out?
Yeah, out.
Too much?
Yeah.
Do you need to see this, is it? Well, we know this is wrong.
Yeah.
Good.
Very good, I'd say.
Yeah.
And then, equations?
Yeah.
I'll just give you a minute to copy that if you like. English.
No, I mean the tangent doesn't go on the tangent.
I have never seen on the exam, it's too difficult, I think. There have been about 26 exams over the last about 13 years. Never ever asked for tangent. It's just quite difficult to draw. And I honestly don't think they ever will ask for tangent. Every time it's always sine or cos. Okay. Next is, I think you have an equation. Are you happy with the graphs now? Yeah? Okay. So we'll do an equation now. You have an equation there, yep?
Yeah. 16 2b.
Okay, read it to me. What's the equation?
Minus 7 cos
Whatever.
minus 3x minus 5 over 3 6 minus 5 over 13 6.
Yeah.
3 6 pi
Yeah.
plus 5 equals 0.
And x?
X between minus pi and pi. Yeah.
This is another question I think people had trouble with this week. I am right. Yeah, okay. So let's, yeah. Open, closed here. Okay. Right. Let's have a look here. So my steps, I, E, S, and F. So step 1 is to get the inverse. So here we can say cos minus 3x minus 5 pi over 36 equals minus 5 over minus 7. So I have minus 3x minus 5 pi over 36 equals cos inverse 5 over 7, which equals, now, cos inverse 5 over 7, 0.7752. I have done the first step. Okay?
Yeah.
Step 2, the extra answers. How many answers do I have here? I should have 6 answers. Okay. For cos, this is the first answer. And the second answer, how do we get that for cos? Yeah?
2 pi minus.
That's it. Go ahead, yeah?
I think there's something more in it.
Is it in radian mode? Do you have an or up the top? Or D? So you need to put in radian mode.
I don't need radio mode. I use my own calculator.
Oh, you need to learn how to use your calculator.
Oh.
I can't show you how to do it in the exam. You have it in radian mode, and you have it in degree mode.
I don't know.
That's okay.
Can I do it then?
Okay. 360 or 2 pi minus this answer here. So on my calculator, that's 2 pi, what the heck? 2 pi minus my answer. 5.508. Hold on. Oy. Hungry. 5.508. That is only 2 of the answers, and we said we need more. We need in total 6 answers. But it's very easy to make the next answers. For example, if I add 2 pi to this, I get the next answer there. So let me just do that. $11.791. And if I add 2 pi again, I have too many answers. And then if I want the next one here, I add, oh no, sorry, I do need to add 2 pi again. I do need, sorry, one more answer at the back here, don't I? So let me add 2 pi again. Oh. Yeah. 18.074. Now, if I take my first answer and add 2 pi, I get one more, and if I do that again, I get another one. No, add 2 pi. So the next one here would be 0.7752 plus 2 pi equals 7.058. Yeah.
Why 2 pi?
Because in a circle, when you go around once, you're back at the start. So this is the reason why we haven't actually changed the angle by adding 2 pi to it. And then adding 2 pi onto this again. 13.342. So now I've made the extra answers. I have 6 answers. But these aren't really the answers, because these are the answers for this thing. Yeah. So now the next step is to simplify. So if I just go to the side, if I have minus 3x minus 5 pi over 36 equals answer, then if I want the x, I have minus 3x equals answer plus 5 pi over 36, so that means x will equal the answer plus 5 pi over 36 over minus 3. So this will be the key for simplifying. So let me just get that ready on the calculator. Something plus 5 pi over 36 over minus 3. Yeah, okay, back to these. Now, let's simplify these 6 answers. So, this gives me x equals 1 answer, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the first one. 0.7752 minus 0.4038. Minus 0.4038. Next one. 5.508, and that gives me minus 1.981.
But the answer is...
I'm not finished yet. I'm still on step 3. I still have to do step 4. Don't worry. Minus 1.98. But thank you for telling me. Unlike some students. Okay. Minus 1.981. Oh, I'm only joking. You know that. Okay. The next one. This is now 7.058. So that's minus 2.498. Okay. Next one is 11.791. So that's minus 4.076. Next one is 13.342 minus 4.593. And lastly is 0.074 like this. Minus 6.17. Okay, step 3 is complete. On to the final step. Which answers do we need to fix? All of them. Because we need to be between minus pi and pi. So we need to say which are too big and which are too small. So minus pi to pi is minus 3.14 to 3.14. So this one is okay, actually. No, this one is okay. This one is okay. This one is too small. Well, too far to the left, yeah. This one here is too small, and this one here is too small. So these are easily all fixed by just adding 2 pi. So this first answer is okay. This second answer is okay. This next answer is okay. Who has calculators? Help me out here. Yeah, so one person, can you add 2 pi to this? Someone else 2 pi to this. And Eric, do you have a calculator? Yeah. Can you give me the last one then? 2 pi to this. So what's the first one when I add 2 pi, please? 2.207. Great. And the next one? And Eric, what's the last one? 0.01.
Minus 2 pi.
Yeah, this one here.
Yeah.
Plus 2 pi.
Yeah.
So that would be 0.02. What's this last one?
That's 2.
2 pi is 3 plus
2 multiple. Yeah, 6.2830. 0.13. And then 1.69. Now usually we give the answers to 3SF. So our answers will be minus, what's the smallest one? 2.50. Next, minus 1.98. Minus 0.404. 0.113, 1.69, 2.21. If we do this. is one of these 6 answers.
And this calculator is that you recommend to
But this isn't a real Casio 991.
Yeah.
This is like a fake one.
Fake?
Yeah. This is like some kind of Chinese cheap copy or something.
My money.
Look, I can look, this, show me a real Casio. You want a Casio 991?
No.
Oh, 915.
Yeah, okay. Now show me, this is a Casio. What Casio is that?
Oh, this.
Yeah, look, these are what real Casios look like. What's it?
I didn't know. I have never tried calculator from
I don't even know what's this answer here.
What is that? I don't know.
Your mother bought this for you.
No, she bought it online.
How I can know?
What website did you buy this on?
Amazon. I told you there.
That happened to me.
But maybe it's okay.
But
But
how can I know?
You have it in some weird mode. Let me just reset it, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on, okay? Right, now let's try. What were you typing in? Minus 6 pi
6.5.
plus. What were you, what were you typing in? Tell me.
Minus 6.17 plus 5. Oh, how did
I fixed it for you. Okay.
Amazing.
Yes, indeed. Now, these are the 6 answers here.
No.
Guys, what's wrong? At the back? What's wrong? Question? Are you sure? These are the 6 answers. Now let me check that these are right. What I'll do is I'll make the graph.
I don't have any information.
Guys, listen to me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this out here and I'm going to make the graph of this. Whoops. If I want to know when it equals 0, it means I want to know what are the roots. The 6 points here, the points where it crosses the x-axis, the roots, they should be the same as these 6. Let's check it. We'll call out the function, please, for me. What is it? Y equals, what do we start with? Minus 7 cos.
Minus 3
Yeah.
minus 5 over 6 pi
Yeah.
bracket plus 5.
Okay. Let's draw this. Now, we're drawing it from minus pi, yeah,
Yeah.
to pi.
You can get me my car. I don't want to buy.
Oh, but you want your money back. Can you have your money back? Can you have your money back?
No, never.
Guys, look up. No, I've gone too far, haven't I? Minus pi to pi. Okay. What was my first answer? Minus 2.5. So that's
Yeah.
got to be about that. So my next answer should have been something bigger than this number, like something like minus 2 about. What was my next answer?
Minus 1.98.
Okay. The next answer is all the way up here.
98.
I'd say about minus 0.4.
Yes.
What was it?
Minus
Minus
0.4.
Not bad. Okay. This one is quite 0.1.
Yeah.
1.6.
Yeah. 9.
I'm not. This is honest. I'm not cheating. Seriously. 2.1. Close. Okay. So we can know that these are definitely the correct 6 answers from this graph, because we can see these are the 6 places it will be 0 between pi and minus pi. So definitely 100% right there, no problems here. Okay. Now, for the exam, you always get one of these questions in the exam. You know, they either ask you to make a graph or solve an equation or both. Guys, wait, you're going to go in 2 minutes, so just listen to me before you go, please, okay? These 2 things I did today, you need to have this skill for the exam, because there's a good chance they will ask you for a graph or an equation or both, but they always ask at least one of these 2 things. It's important. They will ask one of these in the exam. Okay, and I hope that you can see now with practice they're not actually that bad to do. Yeah? Okay, so I'll see you then after lunch, and we'll continue with calculus. So.